Here's a 2011 Chevrolet Avalanche. Built for play, built for work, built for you. This Avalanche is made to meet the flexibility you need throughout the day. And with features like these, every drive is a pleasure. Integrated navigation system with voice activation, power tilt-down heated mirrors, front heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, auto-dimming rearview mirror, remote engine start, dual-zone climate control, V8 engine, express open and closed sliding and tilting sunroof, electronic shift on the fly, and automatic transmission. Of the Avalanche, Edmunds.com observes versatile mid-gate base body configuration, comfortable ride and seating, smooth V8 engines. Performance, value, durability, Chevy. You need to drive it to believe it. See it for yourself today.
So come visit us on the Motor Mile, where you're always a name and never a number. Call, click, or stop in. We're conveniently located at 200 Motor Lane in Christiansburg, Virginia.